Okay, well, I just dug over so I can open the gate. And look at this out here, you know. And it looks like the street still isn't plowed over here. I don't know what these people are thinking they're going to do, you know. But I mean, look at the car. It looks funny with all that snow on it. I know I really should knock some of that off. But this is going to keep going until 6 or 7 o'clock tonight. So maybe I'll knock some snow off it now. And we'll see what happens later. But I mean, look at the backyard. Oh, it's unbelievable.